I've made these awesome images for free. Can this new AI tool beat MidJourney? Watch this video to access this new AI tool while it's still free. I also share with you how I use this MidJourney killer application and how other people make money out of it. So let's go. To me, sometimes MidJourney is a bit too technical. I like platforms that are user-friendly but still create nice AI impressions. And therefore I say hello to Leonardo.ai. And this is the dashboard of Leonardo.ai. For the people who don't have access to it, there's one smart hack to do this. As of recording this video, it is still available. I don't know if you watch it today and it's not working anymore, but how I did it, I went to Leonardo.ai. I signed up here the email, I've entered my information in Typeform, I joined their Discord, and then I said launch app, and then I say yes, I'm whitelisted, and tada, I got inside of Leonardo.ai. Let's discover Leonardo.ai. What you see up here are different kind of models that you can use. And for example, if I choose this one, I get examples of what people made with this model. Maybe I choose another one. Let's choose this one. And here you can see, I think a lot of men create these designs. This is another filter or model that you can use. And you can see they create very beautiful outputs of prompts. Let's go to another one, this one. If you see a cool picture, for example, this one, you can copy the prompt. So you can copy this one. You can also copy the negative prompt. So when you have a prompt, this is what you're searching for, but what you not are searching for are two heads, two women, two boys, right? So you can put this in a negative prompt. That's also very nice. You can copy this prompt, but you can also use this image to create your own image based on this image. Further on, you can see a lot of information, and yeah, I really like this feature of Leonardo.ai. Further on, you can see here, just like with MidJourney, users that created some images, but for now we're going to start with the AI generation tool. So I'm going into here. Here you see the amount of tokens you have. The amount of tokens, while recording this video, it's 150 per day. And when you select, for example, here 1, you can see over here that if I push or hit the button generate, then I will use 1 token. If I want to have 4 pictures, it costs me 5 tokens. It's the same for when I choose this bigger one, it says 7 tokens and so on. So that's how it works. If you want to use more, then it will cost you more tokens. But from now it's free to use, so it doesn't matter. Every couple of hours you get some new tokens. Here you can put your prompt in it. So, and here you can use different kind of models. So for now I'm going to use the RPG4 and I say an hyper realistic man in a modern city. Okay. So I use the model and then I only want 4 pictures. This is enough for me because it's a test. Then you have prompt magic. That's a new feature which you can use to create better prompts and better output, of course. Then you can change the width and the height. Here you have the guidance scale, so you put your prompt in it and then it will listen to it, or it will go in overdrive. If you put this higher, then it will go more AI into it. And this part is tiling. Ideal if you have some background and you want to loop it, you can put this on, but of course everything will cost some tokens. And here's the part you can put your own image or another image. And then I say generate. And there you have it. This one looks alright. But what is so cool about this is that we can go back to this, and then we go to, let's say, this one. And then I choose this one. Then I say I copy this prompt. Okay, this is copied. Go to AI image generation. And then I put this in. Of course, I need to change this to this one. And then I say generate. And then I get kind of same as the one you did before. And that's very nice of Leonardo.ai. What can you do next? Well, what you can do is you can add also a negative prompt here. So sometimes, or a lot of times, you get bad output. For example, I did this and I got this, right? Two people behind each other. This is fucking weird. I don't understand it. This one is also weird. So that's why you maybe want to use sometimes a negative prompt. So no blurry abstracts, no mutated hands, no cloned faces, no missing legs. And this you can put on or off. What's also cool in Leonardo.ai is that you can get some help with your prompts. So for example, a cool car in the future style cyberpunk. Then prompt generation, I copy paste this here and ideate. So what's Leonardo.ai doing over here? They create or generating prompt ideas for your prompt. So a sleek chrome-plated sports car gliding through the new light scene. Okay, generate. And there you have it. I really like this one. It looks awesome. And this is one of the nice things of Leonardo.ai. What can we do more here? Okay, well, let's go to a different part of Leonardo.ai, and that is the AI canvas. Okay, so here we have the canvas, and we can use from previous generations, and let's use this one. Okay, so what can we do over here? Okay, in the canvas you can do a lot of cool stuff. So for example, I put this over here and say add more city. And it adds automatically a new part to your picture. Okay, let's draw a mask. I put here something. I created the mask, and what you can do over here is that you can put something on it or change something in the picture. Add skyscrapers in the background. Okay, so what I've just did, I created something different inside of the picture, which is awesome to me. And there's another feature which you can use of this AI tool, and that's this 3D texture. So already have uploaded a 3D model from free3d.com, and you can see here that I've added a generate preview or a preview, and what I did is said, okay, give this model a skin of a tiger, and it generates a preview. It cost me of course some tokens, so it automatically put on the 3D the skin of a tiger on the top of the model, and it did some here and it did some at the back, and if you want to have it fully, then you can put it everywhere. But this is a nice feature if you are into this to create or add something to a 3D model. You also have the datasets, and this dataset, I like this version at this moment, so I selected some of Leonardo AI and I want to use it to train this model. That's something that you can do also in Leonardo AI. Interesting, this AI tool. If you like this video, please like this video. This will help me to grow this channel and help more people with AI. How do I use Leonardo AI for my own? Well, I use it, for example, for this YouTube channel. I use it for the branding. Maybe this picture looks familiar for you. I also use it for a thumbnail. I use it in my social media videos or social media posts, email, on my website. And in the near future, I will also use it for projects of my clients. I have a marketing company that's specialized in creating content. I'm looking forward to use AI in projects of my clients. I've also seen some examples of people that make money using Leonardo AI. How do they do this? Well, they make art, so they create via a prompt some art and they try to sell it on, for example, Etsy. I've also seen getting images out of it and they upload them to stock sites. And I've also seen people putting these designs on physical products. So for example, a t-shirt or an iPhone case, and they also make some money out of it. I also see people making money with selling prompts, and prompts are the things that you put inside Leonardo AI and then you get a result. I have also some prompts for you ready to download. You don't have to buy them, they are free. You only have to put your email and your name and then you get the free prompts which you can use for Leonardo AI. And even more out of the box, of course, you can create books with ChatGPT and then you can add Leonardo AI images to it and then you have a book which you can sell. My name is Lars and I help people with this channel to learn more about AI. I'm curious how you are going to use Leonardo AI in your daily life. For now, I've created a video where I do a walkthrough of the video version of a new tool which is similar to Leonardo AI. And you can watch it over here.